Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel, and today I will show you how to move or transfer Google Photos from one account to another. But before getting into that, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more helpful tutorials. So, I will show you two ways to move or transfer Google Photos from one account to another. So, in order to do this, simply open any browser, go to the search bar and type in Google Photos. Hit enter and click on photos.google.com's page. This will instantly take you to your Google Photos where you'll have to simply log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your Google Photos page. Here, simply choose any picture. Now, if you want to move all the photos from one account to another, simply choose all the pictures that you have. You can simply click any picture, press shift and navigate down and this will select all the photos. Now, click on this share icon and click on create link. Click create link. It will instantly give you this link that you'll have to simply click on copy. Now, the link will be copied to your dashboard. Now, what you'll have to simply do is open any new browser or open a new tab and paste the link you just copied. Hit enter and this will instantly open up Google Photos page. Here, you'll have to make sure you are logged in using the account where you have to move your photos. So click on a profile icon and click add another account and simply make sure you are logged in to the account where you'll have to move your photos. After you do this, simply click this download icon just right here. That is save photos and that will instantly save these pictures in your Google Photos in this account. As you can see, when I log into my account, all the photos from the previous account is just right here. Now, another way to do this is using multi-cloud. So first of all, simply navigate to the description of this video and click the link for multi-cloud. Access it. After you do this, you'll be on the multi-cloud platform. Here, you'll have to simply log in with both Google Photos account that you have to move photos in. So I will click on this add cloud option. Now choose Google Photos. Here, make a display name. I will name this Google Photos 2. Now, click on Add Google Photos. This will take you to choose your account page where you'll have to make sure you select the account where you have to move the photos from. So simply choose the first account and the second account. So I just added the second account. I had previously added the first account. Now, I will simply navigate to the folder where all my photos are present. After navigating to the folder, select the photos that you want to move. If you want to move all, click on this and click on copy to and choose the other account that you made where you want to move or transfer the photos to and select a folder. Then click OK. After you do this, this will instantly copy all these photos from this account to another one. I will navigate to my Google Photos one and I will navigate here. And as you can see, it's currently in progress and it will move all the pictures quickly. So these were the two ways through which you can move or transfer Google Photos from one account to another.